Hi guys, with another video. This is the look at this. This is the top stove air filter. As you see, so dirty. Look at this. All flies are there. We're gonna today we're gonna clean this. What do you need? I am gonna use it. This Cascade. Yeah, Toft. Yeah, Cascade complete. And also you need the brush and you need the hot water or warm water with this. Let's dump it inside. Uh, of course, you need more, but you can cover all the way. Yeah, yeah. Also, yeah. Just put a little bit water, hot water. Now look at this, so bad. Like, and just put a little of that. This cascade. Uh, let's see how much we can take it out. Oh, look at this. Oh, nice. Also, you can use the toothbrush too. Yeah. Let's see how much. Let's. Oh my God, so dirty. See, look how it's coming up. See? Yeah, I think it's gonna work. Hot water and cascade, uh, dishwasher. Look at this. Okay. It's coming up. But of course you need to have you have to work on it. Look at it, all the flies. Yeah. Then let's do it with this brush. Oh my God, look at this. Let it soak a little bit. Uh, it's better now a little bit, but please, it's a little bit more time. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, it's gonna take time. Look at, oh my God. Maybe I can, a little bit more I can put it here. Yeah, there. I think it should stay inside the water and lose all that is dirt. So, getting better. Let it dissolve like this. All the flies are here. Ew. Okay, let's wait maybe half an hour, 1 hour, and I'll be back. As you see, getting is better, see? But it should stay a little longer. Yeah, it's gonna take time. Sometimes you have to, time to time you have to brush with the toothbrush. Yeah, it's gonna be brand new. If you have a time and you don't wanna spend money, play with this. But if you wanna spend money, you don't need to do all this thing because it's gonna take time. Yeah, everything takes time, right? Making the money takes time, and yeah, spending money takes time. So yeah, eventually it's gonna get wider, and if you put in the hot water, you have to put the inside of hot water. When you put the hot water, all the dirt is loose and getting clean. Yeah, yeah, we're getting there. Look, this part, it's good. Got well, nice clean, but everything it should be like that. It's yeah, it's gonna be. I hope you have a patient that you can watch. Mm. As you see that with the brush, you have to brush all around dirty place. As I said, it's gonna take time, like as you see, before I started, it wasn't like this. It's getting better. So this is the main thing, like you have to give the time, like as better than before, and leave it in the hot water and until the lose all the dirt, and you will do it a couple of times, and you will get the result of clean filter. Yeah, this is it. This is it. I would like to show you. I will continue to do that, but main things is you have to do over again. So this is it. Okay, guys. So overall, it's getting clean. So I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and see you soon with another video. Bye.